How to log into Washington Federal Bank online banking. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to google.com. In the search bar, type Washington Federal Bank and press Enter. From the search results, click on the verified official website link of Washington Federal Bank. Once on the home page, locate and click on the Sign In option. On the Login page, first select your account type from the available options. Then, click on the Sign In button again to proceed. Enter your username in the designated field. If you've forgotten your username, click on Forgot Username to recover it. Enter your password in the appropriate field. To recover a forgotten password, click on Forgot Password. If this is your first time accessing online banking, select Enroll Now to begin the enrollment process. Finally, click on the Sign In button to securely log into your account.